Welcome back to Silicon Siege. Today we are looking at the silicon monopoly, how sand controls global superpower wars. This is not just a story about technology, it is a story about the ultimate leverage that dictates human destiny. Look around you right now. Every device you own, the car you drive, the medical systems keeping people alive, and the advanced weaponry securing national borders all depend on a single, unassuming element, silicon. We are living in an era where global monopolies are fought over not with traditional armaments, but with the control of supply chains that stem from raw earth. Many people look at the explosive rise of tech giants and the rapid economic rise of nations like China and assume it is just pure innovation. But the reality is that there are deep technological traps set by the superpowers to ensure no one else can replicate their dominance. In this video, we are breaking down the exact sequence of how a handful of dirt becomes the brain of a supercomputer, because understanding the why behind this power is the only way to understand modern geopolitics. We are not just looking at what these chips do, we are looking at the raw physics and brutal chemical engineering that creates the foundation of these massive tech monopolies. If a nation cannot master the purification of this element, they are caught in inescapable economic traps dictated by those who hold the keys. This element represents the ultimate prize in modern industrial wars. It is the fuel for artificial intelligence, the core of quantum computing, and the bottleneck for every advanced economy on the planet. From the vast deserts to the pristine, ultra-clean rooms of advanced fabrication facilities, the journey of this material is a testament to human ingenuity and ruthless competition. Let us dive deep into the belly of the beast to see how sand is transformed into pure power.